Hello, my name is Melissa Vega-Mancinas, and I will be showing you how to solve question number 15 on chapter 8 homework. So first, the question asks, the number of chocolate chips in 20 regular chocolate chip cookies of a certain brand were counted and the results are listed to the accompanying table. Complete parts A through E below. Click the icon to view the chocolate chip counts. Of course, we will need that information to help solve our question. So with all these information here, instead of, doing it with the calculator, by hand and everything, we're going to open this up in StatCrunch. Alright, and very easily it automatically builds up all the information from the chart here. And so for the first question is, what is the mean number of chocolate chips per cookie? In order to find the answer for this, we're going to hit Stat, go to hit Summary Stats, Columns, because, it's in order to find the answer, we have to, in the columns here, which in the column is the name VAR1. So here the question is asking for the mean, so we will hit Mean. And one very important thing, once you hit compute, it'll say error. So please make sure you're hitting the column before continuing to hit compute, because otherwise it will not give you an answer. Once you do those two sets within that section, it'll give you 25.3. With this answer, you are going to go ahead and punch it in. Check answer. And we did a good job. Okay, so now it's asking, what is the standard deviation? Round to 2 decimal places as needed. Okay, so in this, to answer this question, you can either go to Options and hit Edit, or you can always just exit out and do it all over again. But I'm just going to go to Options, hit Edit. And so we're going to go down to where it says the abbreviation of standard deviation. What it's asking here, make sure that's selected and hit Compute. Once that is ready, you will see the answer 2.5567249. Once you see this this answer, it says to round to 2 decimal places as needed. So 1, 2, and then right here you see 6, which is above 5, so this will make 2.56. And we're going to punch that in. It says well done. Now we're going to move on to part C. What is the best estimate for the mean number of chocolate chips in all regular chocolate chip cookies of the certain brand? So, because this is asking for the best estimate for the mean, we don't really need to punch anything in here. All we really need to do is go up to what the mean was and take that and retype it down here. Excellent. And now part D is asking, what is the 95% confidence interval for the estimate in part C? Let's see, and if you were to do this problem on paper, it's involving subtracting the mean with the standard deviation. But in this case, we won't have to do that because we do have StatCrunch. So in order to find this, we will go to Stat under the same column, but we'll go under something different. We'll hit T-Stats, one sample with data. Once we do that, we will make sure, once again, this is selected, and we're going to go down to confidence interval. And once we have made sure this is the correct percentage for the confidence interval, we'll go ahead and click compute. Once you have done that action, this will pop up, and it'll give you all the information you need. The one you need to focus on for this, for the answer to this question would be the L limit and the U limit. L stands for lower limit and U stands for upper limit. Lower always goes first, upper always goes second. So this also says round to 1 decimal point. So you'll go 1, that's a 0, so this will be 24.1. And this says 26.496. So this will turn it into 26.5. And it says well done. You did that correctly. Now, since the sample size itself is small, since the sample size itself is small, the estimate is not very reliable.